Hello, welcome to the Matthew Allton Art channel again. I'm just back from a Sunday evening life drawing class. It was great to be drawing from a live model again. The class was held in Nuneaton, a town not far from where I live in Coventry. Very mixed ability group, really good, friendly bunch. I used pencil and filled some sketchbook pages. The first one here that you can see is a 2-minute pose, which I was a bit scared about starting. I didn't think I'd get anything done in 2 minutes, but I've actually managed to pretty much get the pose as it was. The next one was another 2-minute pose, arms up in the air, standing pose again. And again, just about got something like the pose. The next one was a 5-minute pose with the model with one leg up, back to me, one leg up on a chair. Next one, it says 20 minutes, but I think it was more like 15 minutes. I think there was two 15-minuters. So sitting on the chair, I found this one quite difficult because he was sort of more leaning back more than it looks like away from me on the chair, but it's okay overall. The next one was another 15-minuter. Face on, must have been quite a difficult pose to hold because he wasn't resting his foot on anything, he was just holding his knee for 15 minutes, sitting on a chair. Again, fairly successful, really, considering I haven't done live drawing from a live model for so long. And the next one was the longest pose. I think it was 45-50 minutes. May have been a bit more, I don't know. I ran out of paper, so I didn't actually fit it to the page very well. But I quite like the pose. I've captured the pose quite well, I think. So overall, a really enjoyable experience. I'll put a link, if I can, in the description to the class, if anybody is in that area and wants to go along to it. It's quite good. It's in Wembrook Community Centre in Nuneaton. Okay, well that was just a quick update. And I'll get back to the normal stuff over this week. I'm returning to work this week after a week off up in Yorkshire walking, but I did do a couple of sketches. You might have seen a short on the channel that I covered those sketches in. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe. Do like the video if you like the video. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay, see you soon. Bye.